Hi guys, it's Addie
and Kenzie
from Florida Parks After Dark. Today we are at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort because guess what? It's Christmas time here too. So we always find the All-Stars do great with their themed decorations. So to start, we've got this nice wreath out here, and as you can see, they have the film spools with the tape wrapped all around it because of course this is All-Star Movies. And that's how film used to be recorded back in the day, believe it or not. This year, I noticed they've added this almost curtain sort of thing. Even though this is movies, it's still like you've stepped into the theater and there's the curtain there on the wreath, first thing. And of course, lots of red and gold that really evokes that classic Christmas sort of feel. So that is just a great wreath. And then we go over to the other side of our entrance way, and yeah, just like the other All-Stars, this wreath is basically the same, just mirrored, but it still looks beautiful and keeps it balanced. Very nice, very lovely. So we go inside. And of course, like any of the All-Stars, they have these beautiful stars that line the lobby. Really just provide those festive pops. And what better way to ring in the Christmas season than by playing Muppets Christmas Carol in the lobby. Anyway, these stars this time, they have some of that film tape like we saw on the wreaths outside. So this time it's all tied in a pretty bow. And there's the red stars, yellows. Once again, very similar color scheme. These line the lobby all the way down and around. Ooh, even here by the check-in desk, you'll see there's another wreath down there. Now, of course, these are beautiful. Each one of them is a little bit different, if you look closely. But the main draw of this place is the tree. And movie theme spot on. See right here, we got your clapper that says for Walt Disney World, scene 1, take 3, roll number 6. The date is December 25th, of course, for Christmas. The director is Mickey Mouse, because what better character to have as a director? And the cameraman is Goofy. He'd be a bit clumsy of a cameraman. It would probably take a few takes to get it right, just for his sake. He'd be clumsy with the camera, but why not? That's a great film crew to have on hand. And then it really ties the whole red and yellows together. There's ornaments wrapped all the way around the tree. The film spools, you can see there's like an old-timey film camera tucked in there. Tickets. Go around. More film reels. Very beautiful gold and red. That is just classic Christmas, but modern at the same time. And there's wreaths inside the lobby too that sort of match the outdoor ones. This one looks almost more, that other one was a little bit more artsy with the curtain, but this feels like the curtain is opening to the stage that you're about to go on a magical journey here at Disney World. So that's just beautiful. And then there's another film spool. And then there's another wreath on the other side that mirrors this one. So I'll just show that because why not? There it is. Ta-da! Very sparkly, very beautiful, very lovely. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see any new videos.
Click the jingle bell.
Yes, click that bell when you want to be updated. And once again, it's Addie
And Kenzie
from Florida Parks After Dark. And have a great day or night or whatever it may be.
Happy holidays.